Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the fascinating world of rabbit farming. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, there are key secrets to success that can make all the difference. Let's explore 10 essential secrets that can help you thrive in rabbit farming. Secret number 1, choose the right breed. Not all rabbits are created equal, and selecting the right breed is crucial for your farming success. Some breeds are better suited for meat production, while others excel in fur or as pets. For meat production, consider breeds like the New Zealand or Californian, known for their rapid growth and high meat yield. If you're interested in show rabbits or pets, breeds like the Holland Lop or Mini Rex might be the perfect fit. Researching and understanding the characteristics of each breed will help you make an informed decision that aligns with your farming goals. Secret number 2, create a comfortable living environment. Rabbits thrive in a clean, safe, and comfortable environment. This means providing adequate space for each rabbit, proper ventilation, and protection from extreme weather conditions. Ensure that their housing is free from drafts and has sufficient bedding to keep them warm in colder months. A well-maintained environment not only promotes the health of your rabbits, but also enhances their productivity, leading to better outcomes for your farm. Secret number 3, focus on nutrition. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of healthy rabbit farming. Rabbits require a mix of hay, fresh vegetables, and high-quality pellets to thrive. Hay should make up the majority of their diet, providing essential fiber for digestion. Fresh greens like romaine lettuce, parsley, and carrot tops can add variety and nutrients. Additionally, be mindful of portion sizes and avoid overfeeding, as obesity can lead to serious health issues in rabbits. Investing in quality feed and understanding their dietary needs will pay off in the long run. Secret number 4, implement a breeding plan. If your goal is to expand your rabbit farm, having a solid breeding plan is essential. Start by selecting healthy, genetically sound rabbits for breeding. Keep detailed records of lineage, health, and breeding cycles to track progress and make informed decisions. Timing is also crucial. Understanding the breeding cycle of rabbits will help you plan for litters and manage your resources effectively. A well-executed breeding plan can significantly increase your production capacity. Secret number 5, prioritize health care. Just like any livestock, rabbits require regular health care to prevent disease and ensure their well-being. Establish a routine for vaccinations and checkups, and be vigilant for signs of illness, such as changes in appetite or behavior. Familiarize yourself with common rabbit ailments and have a plan in place for emergencies. Building a relationship with a veterinarian who specializes in rabbits can be invaluable. Healthy rabbits are productive rabbits, so make their care a top priority. Secret number 6, understand the importance of socialization. Rabbits are social creatures, and their mental well-being impacts their overall health and productivity. If possible, house rabbits in pairs or groups to encourage social interaction. Spend time handling and interacting with your rabbits to build trust and reduce stress. A happy rabbit is a healthy rabbit, and socialization can lead to better breeding outcomes and calmer animals. Secret number 7, master the art of record keeping. Keeping detailed records is a secret weapon for any rabbit farmer. Documenting everything from breeding dates to health checkups and feed consumption can help you identify patterns and make informed decisions. This data will allow you to track the performance of your rabbits over time, optimize breeding strategies, and manage your resources more efficiently. The more organized you are, the easier it will be to run a successful rabbit farm. Secret number 8, embrace technology. In today's digital age, technology can be a powerful ally in rabbit farming. From apps that help you manage breeding schedules to online communities where you can exchange tips and experiences, leveraging technology can streamline your operations. Consider investing in smart feeders or automated watering systems to save time and ensure your rabbits are always well-fed and hydrated. Staying up to date with the latest advancements can give you a competitive edge. Secret number 9, network with other farmers. Building relationships with other rabbit farmers can provide invaluable insights and support. Join local farming groups, online forums, or social media communities to share experiences and learn from others. Networking can lead to opportunities for collaboration, such as bulk purchasing of supplies or sharing breeding stock. The rabbit farming community is often welcoming and eager to share knowledge, so don't hesitate to reach out. Secret number 10, stay informed and adaptable. The world of rabbit farming is always evolving, and staying informed about industry trends, new research, and best practices is vital for long-term success. Attend workshops, read industry publications, and follow reputable sources online to keep your knowledge current. Be open to adapting your methods based on new information or changing circumstances. The most successful farmers are those who embrace change and continuously seek improvement. In conclusion, rabbit farming can be a rewarding venture, but it requires dedication, knowledge, and a willingness to learn. By implementing these 10 secrets, choosing the right breed, creating a comfortable environment, focusing on nutrition, planning for breeding, prioritizing healthcare, socializing your rabbits, mastering record keeping, embracing technology, networking with other farmers, and staying informed, you'll be well on your way to building a successful rabbit farm. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own rabbit farming experiences in the comments below. Happy farming!